Mantle is a new API. This API is significantly faster than anything that's out there.
One of the key reasons that we really want a sort of low-level graphics API is to be able to get closer to the type of performance that we get on the consoles.
This is an incredible feature if you think about it. It's a very, very unusual case where we have two major launches of game consoles this year using a similar Radeon graphics technology. This allows us to bring some of those optimization techniques to PC gaming as well, and it's a very key feature that we're adding on Kaveri going forward.
Mantle really enables us to not just give us better performance, but also enables us as programmers and actually utilize the modern GPU architecture. So I see we can actually do quite a lot of interesting things that you have never seen in games before.
For us, if we can decrease batch performance, it will decrease our cost. It'll be much faster to iterate and we can do all sorts of things.
One thing I'd like to demonstrate is that Mantle is the only API that we've ever seen that can actually keep up with the speed of Nitrous.
It reduces the CPU overhead, the software overhead by over 9 times.
But the overall time of getting to sort of what good looks like when it comes to performance and robustness is reduced because we can take on more work initially and utilize that across multiple titles.
Using Mantle as the API instead of DirectX really allows us to be as efficient as possible with our code, which ends up seeing really significant real-world performance gains. This is a live gameplay simulation. These units are running AI, they're doing all the things that you're going to see in a game, and the performance delta between Mantle and other renderers is really significant.
I think also Mantle is a little bit of a method for us to sort of challenge the way things are done and challenge the status quo and make interesting games.
We are one of the first games that actually ships using Mantle. We're happy with the tech, we're happy with the visual, we're happy with the result, and you should really put your end on it.
What you're seeing here is Nitrous running thousands and thousands of independent units. Now, what I want to emphasize is that this demo is not a pre-canned graphics demo. We are running full AI, physics, simulation, all the things that we need to do. So this demo is 2 AI opponents playing each other. This isn't a hypothetical situation for us. This is our internal test, an expansion of our internal test, so that we can validate how much that we can get out of a system.
And I think the big key is, for us, it's a fixed cost. We're basically going to port our driver interface layer once, and then it's just going to work, and there's not a whole lot of extra maintenance we have to do to support it. And the big thing we're very excited about is to push the industry forward, to try out new techniques and new APIs.
Today, Mantle is for Windows. We get really good improvements both for Windows 7 and for Windows 8. I believe that Mantle will actually be a much more efficient graphics API for the other vendors as well. So I would like to see a future version of Mantle that is supported on all platforms and on all modern GPUs.